Oh yeah, and we are back again. Yo, we got some shoplifters in the building. Yo, before we watch this video, I would like for y'all to support this channel. You are not able to donate a little something, show some support. So if you want to see Logic on Steroids grow, it'll be on you, you know what I mean? Alright, and now we're gonna get into the program. Let's get it.
On September 20th, 2024, officers responded to a call of a shoplifting complaint.
Come over here. Up here, guys. What's the problem? What's the problem? You tell me. What's going on, Jules? What happened over there?
We stopped the Jules to watch.
Okay.
The usual suspects.
Yeah, I'm with the two female blacks.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Just go over there real quick with them. I got these guys.
Oh, wow. What we do?
I don't know. You tell me.
We didn't do anything.
All right. What happened, Jules?
I stopped the we went to Jules to
All right. What about the two guys you're with?
We weren't with no guys.
Come on.
And we was not with any guys.
Okay. Then where you stay at?
Where we stay at?
Yeah.
On the south side. Chicago.
Okay. Why are you here then?
We was out here visiting our cousin.
Okay, let's cut the bullshit. Just listen to me, okay? I'm really not in a mood for some nonsense. Okay, just listen. I don't need all the antics, okay?
No. You telling us we're just guys, so I'm not gonna sit and listen to it. But you telling us, oh, where's the guys? We're not with any guys.
Okay, cut the nonsense.
No, we're not with any guys.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
All right, we already know. She's the one that might make things get worse. Well, put it like this: who might get on his last nerves, which is going to cause them to go to jail because he has no more leeway for the end.
I don't even think I got my ID on me.
Grown person, don't think you got your ID on you. That's one of the number one things you got to walk out your house with.
Oh, they said we was guys.
Listen.
We're not with any
I'm not.
Officer, we're not with any guys.
Take your bag off, please.
Typically, shoplifters and people who are ready to do, they don't carry ID. They don't want to get caught with that. You know what I'm saying? So everything so far makes you look bad right now. You're looking like you did it.
Put your bag on the hood of the car.
I can do that.
Thank you. Nothing in the bags? Because they said you guys stole stuff.
Oh, wow.
Ma'am, put your bag on the hood.
Now, some people in that stealing, I did. I witnessed that.
Oh, you it?
Yeah, well, I witnessed them chasing somebody.
Let's see, which card will she play next? The competition seems quite rough here at the casino, hey Matt?
Oh, well, it seems like she's gonna play the racist card.
The racist card. Is that what she's going for? Give her a moment.
So when they come
I guess everybody that's black and African American, everybody got something to do.
No.
And yes, she's all in with the racist card played.
Good luck to the female contestant playing with top competitors.
Oh, what?
Here we go.
It has nothing to do with that. It has everything to do with we were called here for people stealing.
Oh, wow.
You asked me a question, I'm trying to answer it, okay? Okay. And then I see you two cut through the bank parking lot.
No, it's gonna go to Walgreens.
You're going to Walgreens? Yeah. Walgreens is over there. Good try.
Where
we really trying to go?
Oh my Lord. Gotcha, bitch.
Where's your receipt for all this, ma'am?
That was already in there.
It is not?
I can't stand a bad liar. Damn, just don't say nothing at all.
Oh wow. Why don't you
People are not as dumb as you.
just go take us to Jules and let Jules run the camera? And
We will. Don't you worry.
You don't have to show me.
Can you give him your name? Your cousin.
Yeah, that's my cousin.
What's your name, man?
My name is Shamika.
How do you spell that? Last name, Shamika? How do you spell that?
You know what I'm saying?
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
I don't know. You tell me. You want to play games? I'll play games all fucking night long. I ain't about to play with you.
Well, okay, hey.
So what's your name?
Anyway, so I'm not worried about it.
So what's your name?
My name is Shamika.
Thank you, ma'am. Shamika, what's your middle name?
I don't have a middle name.
What's your birthday? So who's telling me the truth? What's your name?
Shanika.
What's your name?
Now we mad about our name. That's my daughter. Shanika and
I want to try this one more time, okay? Before I start hooking you up for felony. Where's your real name and date of birth?
My real name.
So when I run your fingerprints, what will they come back to? Okay, and where's your license out of?
I never had a license,
Where's
but
your-
my
where's your
state
ID
ID,
card out of?
my state ID is out of Chicago.
Chicago.
Yeah. Let me sign it too.
You know what? I don't appreciate the attitude from either one of you.
Yeah, I barely said anything.
You just had a smart ass comment for no reason.
You looking because
Yeah, I'm looking because I'm trying to confirm who you are. Because there's someone in here when I run your criminal history that has about 37 aliases. Your social you gave me comes back to somebody else. So I'm trying to figure out who the you guys are. I'm not about to play some Chicago bullshit out here in the suburbs. Your car you just came out here in, the car you came out here in is loaded with booze. Stolen booze. So, I'm letting you stand out here, run your mouth, do whatever the you want to do. When I have enough to detain you, put you in handcuffs and make you uncomfortable as but I'm not doing
Yo, and I bet they got kids too. Look, there comes a time where you just gotta stop all the dumbass teenage games. Grown ass women just doing dumb shit.
Now, you want to keep running your mouth, I'll put you in cuffs, I'll bring you back to the station, and I'll fingerprint you, and you can sit for 6 to 10 hours while your prints come back. Because I don't believe you are who you say you are. I'm not about to play with the bullshit from the city out here. I'm tired of my groceries going up, I'm tired of my booze going up, I'm tired of all the bullshit going up because you guys decide you want to steal. And go ahead and play that for court. I don't care.
And you can tell he had enough.
Do I make myself perfectly clear?
They ain't gonna say nothing. Of course not.
I don't believe who you are. You can't prove it. Grown-ass adults walk around, no IDs, all this bullshit. Keep your shit city bullshit in the city. Don't come out here.
Facts.
I gave you my name. I gave you my name and my birthday.
Okay, well, you can still go to jail. Because that car you guys rolled up in is loaded with booze. We found the other 3. Okay, this isn't our first. You roll your eyes, make all the faces you want. I don't care. They charge out here for this bullshit. Go ahead and face the car, okay? You're under arrest and you're under arrest. Take money back.
Seen that coming from a mile away. I mean, they don't piss them off. I mean, damn. Y'all suck at what y'all do. You doing shoplift still, don't get caught. I mean, goddamn. Y'all suck. Y'all lousy.
What's up? Yeah, give me 1 second. Put this one on. Is that better? That one better?
My shit fat as hell.
Or which one hurts?
It's like,
Is that better?
nah, this one right here.
My lock is so young.
I don't want my hand cut up. I got carpet on it.
I know. My lock is only way tighter.
Hey, Dan, can you have the Darien officer come over here? We took these 2 in cuss.
She ain't gay yet. She don't need that feeling on my ass and shit.
Doesn't
I
matter.
am slut.
I'm telling you, it doesn't matter.
It do matter.
It don't matter. It's 2024. You can be whatever you want to be.
Yeah.
Hey, she got an ID on her because the name she gave ain't her.
That's maybe something. They so tight in my pants.
Oh, would you look at that? You do have an ID on you.
Hey. Would you look at that? Hey, what's my name? So can we get an apology for being
No.
full of shit about our identity?
No.
Yay. Y'all did something right. Let's reward y'all for giving y'all your name up. Yeah, let's reward y'all. Come on, man. Yo, y'all chicks, y'all want to get rewarded for doing regular shit.
Hey, you good for 1 minute? Alright, Duffy, they're both gonna go in. You 2 are both under arrest for felony retail theft. We're gonna hop in his car.
I know how to walk.
Retail theft, yes. When y'all went to Roselle,
No, yeah. Okay, well, running. I'm just talking about Roselle running. I'm not worried about this shit. I know how to get a lawyer and all that shit.
that's fine with me.
Yeah, it's fine with me too.
Girl, if you ain't do it, you'd have been outraged right now. You know you did it. That's why it's like, damn, you preparing to fight the battle now. Get prepared, get lawyered up.
I'm not worrying about a mother.
I doubt you're gonna afford a lawyer because your ass couldn't afford the damn thing you stole.
I'm glad.
I'm not
I am so glad you're not.
charge.
Fake charge, yeah.
I'm not worrying about the fake ass charge. Just like you thought everything was fake.
I feel you.
I'm not worrying about you.
I'm not worried about
Jews gonna pop that ass.
I'm not worried about you
I'm
neither,
not worried about it. Okay.
Got some Jews. Man, girl,
Good night.
stop it.
Both women were charged with felony retail theft. Thanks for watching our content. If you haven't yet, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more of our content.
Yo, this is for educational purposes. I want you all who's watching to learn from this. We ain't watching to make fun of none of that, nah. You know what I'm saying? I know it's gonna be entertaining a little bit, but damn it, learn. Do not follow these traps. You ain't gotta be the one making the mistakes to learn from it. You can watch other people make mistakes that you can learn from. You know what I mean? All right, check this out.
We appreciate the likes and shares on our Crazy Clock shorts.
Are you ready?
Now you can show support for the Logic on Steroids channel. Just click on our video, then search for the Thanks button icon located right along the like and share buttons beneath the video. Hit Thanks and support us with whatever you feel can help us elevate to a new level. We appreciate your support and thanks.
Love y'all. Peace.